Hello lovelies, you're all welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all here with me online. My name is Tolu. Lovelies, I brought you the super easy, super delicious Nigerian stew. We call this Omi Obe. Another way to prepare this that is going to be so super yummy and very easy method is what I've brought you all today. First of all, let me say thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for all the likes, for all the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you all. I appreciate you all, my followers, my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. First timers, you're also welcome. Remember to follow, subscribe, like, and join. Leave a comment. Let me know you are here. Thank you. Let's get it started. What I have here are the assorted meats I'll be using for cooking the stew. They are all well washed and ready. Those are the herbs I'll be using today. Oregano. I have seasoning, curry, thyme, and bay leaf. So I'm just going to pour everything at once into the meat. I'm going to add some salt into it. After that, I'll add diced onions and diced garlic into it. Feel free to use garlic powder if fresh garlic is not available. I've just added ginger into it. I used fresh ginger. You can as well use dried ginger if fresh one is not available. Now I gave it a gentle mix and I'm just going to cover it and allow it to boil in its own juice. After 15 minutes, it has started to cook itself in its own juices, so I mixed it together. So I'll add some water into it now and allow them to cook till soft. So let's check what we are boiling here. Lovelies, these ones are really tender to my taste. Look at the babankan or the cow leg, everything is ready. Now let's move on. What I have here are the pepper mix I'll be using. I have tomatoes, I have bell pepper, I have onions as well. What I have there is my ginger. I also added fresh ginger into it. Fresh ginger is optional, but I love to add it now to my pepper mix. So after that, I blended it together. That's what I have. I poured it into a pot. I'll add just 1 tablespoonful of vegetable oil into it and then boil it down until the water reduces. Yes, you can see it was full. Now we have half of a pot. I love it this way. So it's now time to pour some vegetable oil, heat it up, and add the boiled pepper mix into it. You can see this one is boiled already. The pepper mix is done because we boiled it down already. I'll be using this tomato puree. Feel free to use tin tomato paste. I'll be using this, so I'm just going to add this into the pepper mix. After that, I will add curry into it. After curry, I'll add seasoning. It's now time to add salt. And what I'll be adding now is the meat stock. That is the water we used for boiling the assorted meat at the beginning. Now I gave it a good mix. They have to be well combined. And now I covered it and allow them to cook. So lovely, this has been cooking for around 7 to 10 minutes, which is super okay. It's now time to add the boiled meat into the sauce. After adding the boiled meat, I gave it a gentle mix just for them to become one properly. Yes, you can see how yummy it looks. It's looking yummy, and the scent here is also delicious. Yes. After that, I cover them and allow them to cook for 5 minutes together. Voila. Let me show you what we have. You need to be here, lovelies. This is so simple. This is the simplest method to prepare stew. Give this a try and you will have the perfect mama stew soup that is perfect for any swallow, rice, spaghetti or yam. Thanks for watching.